There we go.
Like ice right there, yeah?
Yeah, it is. I didn't really slip too much. Just go slow and you're good. I'm just taking it easy for you, so go at your own pace.
Okay. I think I'm okay. This downhill section though, give me some room.
I will. Just crawl down it. Just take it slow, brother. Don't move from where you're from. There's a Jeep here. He's sliding.
I'm gonna try to, if he's coming up, I'm gonna try to go right.
I'm not sure what we should do with these people.
We should walk and see where's clearance. Because we know there's not any going up.
It's scary. I'm making it all icy.
How's it going?
Oh shit, it's scary.
Dude, I do not like ice, man. I think next time, even with all trains, I'm gonna bring chains just in case.
I do have recovery boards that I didn't whip out that I could have if necessary.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that works.
Yeah, so we still had other options to go through. That one was a little muddy.
know what the trail etiquette is? How close are we allowed to get to these people? Let us know in the comments, okay?
You know what?